A man should never have to ask his woman for affection. Let's get one thing straight. When a man is asking for your time, your touch, or your attention, he isn't being needy. He is starving. And the most dangerous thing you can do in a relationship is confuse a man's hunger for connection with him being difficult or high maintenance. When you make him beg for the basics, you aren't just withholding affection, you are systematically teaching him that he isn't a priority. And the moment he learns that lesson, the shift begins. A woman who is truly into her man doesn't need a manual to show him love. It's an instinct. It's the way your entire energy shifts when he walks into a room. It's the lack of friction when you interact. When a man feels truly chosen, he doesn't have to wonder if he's doing too much or not enough. He doesn't analyze your moods, and he doesn't walk on eggshells. You know what? He feels peace. If you're forcing him to question his place in your life, you're creating an environment of anxiety. And let me tell you, no man will stay in a state of high alert forever. Eventually, he's going to get tired of the guesswork, and that's when the silence starts. You have to understand the male psyche here. Most men spend their entire day in survival mode. They are out in the world competing, performing, and delivering. They come home to their woman because she is supposed to be their sanctuary, the one place where they can drop the armor. When he comes to you for warmth and you're cold, or when he reaches for you and you're distant, he's not just feeling rejected, he's feeling unprotected. He's feeling like the home he built with you is becoming a battleground. When a man has to explicitly ask for affection, it means he has already tried to signal his needs in 100 subtle ways, and you miss them. Many women think that if a man stays, he's fine. That's a mistake. A man can be physically present and emotionally checked out at the same time. Once a man starts pulling back, it's rarely because he's found someone else. It's usually because he poured everything he had into you. He saw no return on that investment, and he stopped spending his energy where it wasn't being valued. He's not leaving yet, but he's stopped trying. And once that effort dies, the relationship is already on life support. So, take a look at your dynamic. If you love him, don't wait until the silence becomes permanent. Stop making him prove he deserves your softness. You don't lose your own power by being affectionate. You secure your position. If you want a man to stay, make him feel like he's the only man in the world. Because if you don't, eventually, he's going to find the woman who will. And you won't be able to blame him for it. Don't wait until the silence becomes permanent. If you want to understand how to fix this dynamic before the distance becomes real, subscribe to the channel. I'm Sarah Monrose. And please criticize my new hair color.